Welcome. In this tutorial we demonstrate how to connect a 24-volt transformer, a Pavo dial, and ColorFlex together. Here is what is needed for this tutorial. 24-volt transformer, power cable, electrical wire, Pavo dial controller, ColorFlex RGB front power connector, ColorFlex RGB. Here is a quick overview of the installation process. First we take the power cable and hardwire it to the 24-volt transformer. Then wire the 24-volt transformer to the Pavo dial. Wire the ColorFlex front connector to the Pavo dial. Lastly, connect the ColorFlex front connector to the ColorFlex. Step 1. Wiring the power cable and electrical wires to the 24-volt transformer. Take the power cable. Locate the wires you will be using for positive and negative connection. On the 24-volt transformer, locate the positive and negative connection terminals. In this transformer we will be connecting to the L and N terminals. For this installation we will connect the black wire to the L terminal and connect the white wire to the N terminal. Use electrical wire. Arrange them where one wire is used for negative connection and the second for positive connection. On the 24-volt transformer, we will use the far left COM terminal for our negative connection and use far left V+ terminal for our positive connection. Step 2. Wiring the Pavo dial controller to the 24-volt power supply and the ColorFlex RGB front connector. In order to wire the Pavo dial you have to remove parts of the dial. Pull out the turn dial. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pop up and remove the front cover. Remove the two screws holding the controller to the bottom case. Pull the Pavo controller out of the bottom case. Flip the controller over to reveal the screw terminals. Notice the 6-port screw terminal near the corner of the controller. This terminal is where we will connect the ColorFlex RGB front connector and electrical wire from the 24-volt transformer. Before connecting the electrical wire, it is recommended that you pull the wire through one of the side openings on the bottom case. With the electrical wires from the 24-volt transformer, connect the V+ to the positive terminal. Then connect the COM wire to the negative terminal. Take the ColorFlex front power connector, locate the end with the colored wires. Take the end of the ColorFlex front connector with the wires, and pull it through the side of the bottom Pavo dial case. After taking the wires through the bottom case, you take the red wire from the ColorFlex front connector and connect it to the R terminal. Then take the green wire and connect it to the G terminal. Take the blue wire and connect it to the B terminal. Last, take a white wire and connect it to the V screw terminal. Use a small flathead screwdriver to secure the wires in the screw terminals. Step 3. Connecting the ColorFlex front connector to the ColorFlex. Take the front power connector end with the plastic cover and place the side with the word up, facing up toward you. Then after you have cut your ColorFlex to the length you want, place the ColorFlex with the LED lights facing up, next to the front connector. To connect the two, while holding the front connector, push the end of the ColorFlex into the plastic bracket. When you look underneath the connection, The small arrow on the front connector and the arrows under the ColorFlex should be pointing in the same direction. At this point you can reassemble the Pavo Dail controller. Place the controller back in the bottom case. Screw in the screw for the bottom case. Place the top cover back. And place the dial back. Thank you for watching the tutorial.